Hey guys, it's Blackstone. Betty, y'all know everybody's favorite party-pleasing appetizer is buffalo wings. In this video, I'm going to show you my perfect party-pleasing appetizer on a budget. These are my buffalo chicken mini taco bites. You're going to love them. And your friends and family are going to love them. So let me show you guys how you can make these at home on your Blackstone. We all know buffalo chicken wings are everybody's favorite, but with especially my huge family, feeding them wings can get expensive. So I started making these buffalo chicken tacos, whether they're mini for an appetizer or we buy the larger taco shells for a full meal like a lunch or a dinner. They're perfect because we get the same satisfaction of a buffalo chicken wing. So this starts off with chicken thighs. I have a little under 2 pounds that I like to dice up into really small bite-sized pieces for this, since we are using street taco size shells. Cutting this up saves me a lot of time, and you can always do this the night before. Stick it in the fridge, let it marinate overnight, and then you have an even faster dinner or appetizer. I also love dicing up my chicken ahead of time because once it hits the griddle, each and every little piece of chicken sears perfectly on all 4 sides. So first things first, Kira, we're gonna start off with a little bit of my favorite oil. Do you know which it is?
Extra light tasting?
Extra light tasting olive oil. I love this. So we'll go down with a little bit of olive oil over our chicken. Next up is our Blackstone Buffalo Blue seasoning. Give that a quick mix. The last thing I love adding is a little garlic paste, or a lot, because I love the flavor of garlic. We'll mix this in, and this just adds, I think, a lot of flavor. Now that our chicken is ready, let's talk about the few ingredients that it takes to make these. I love using a store-bought broccoli slaw. Just adds a little bit of crunch, just like you serve up your chicken wings with either celery or vegetables on the side, carrots, broccoli. This is a really good addition to these. Again, since we are having a pool day today, we are going to be serving these up in little street-size taco shells. I love using corn tortillas for these because it'll make it just extra crunchy and crispy. A few green onions that I've already pre-diced up, and to start this, we're gonna do a little bit of olive oil. To make our chicken tacos cheesy, I've already shredded up a whole block of cheddar cheese. Let's preheat our Blackstone to medium heat and slide over the new Blackstone grease gate. I love it. It'll save you from losing any food in the rear grease drain hole. We'll drizzle down a little bit of our extra light tasting olive oil just to ensure that nothing sticks, and then drop down that chicken that we had marinating in the oil and the garlic and our Blackstone Buffalo Blue seasoning. Spread this out to ensure it cooks evenly in one layer. Allow it to cook for a few minutes on each side to build up that crust, that crunchy crust on each side, just like you want in a chicken wing. We can add a little bit extra of our Buffalo Blue seasoning because seasoning is so delicious. Give it a toss a few times until this cooks through. Now, since we're using chicken thighs, they do take a little bit longer than chicken breast would, but they're more juicy, and cutting them ahead of time into these small little bite-sized pieces is really going to cut down our cook time. And now we're gonna drizzle over the creamy buffalo sear and serve sauce. This adds such a creaminess to this chicken, and it's also going to make these chicken thighs even more tender. Now we'll slide these aside to one side because they are just about done. Now that grease that is left behind between the chicken thighs, natural fat, and the creamy buffalo sauce, we have a nice layer of grease, so we don't need to add anything. We can drop down our street-size corn tortillas right into this. We'll layer on some of our cheddar cheese and then start to fill them with our little buffalo chicken nuggets or pieces, a little extra cheese because the cheese is the glue to these tortillas, a sprinkle or a zhuzh of our sliced green onions for a pop of freshness and color, and then using my tongs, fold these in half and let them just sizzle on each side, flipping back and forth until they are crispy and crunchy and ready to be pulled off. You can let them go for as long as you want, depending on how crunchy you want your taco shell to be. Once they're done, they look perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's pull them off and plate them up. Listen to that crunch, Kira, you hear it? Are you getting excited for lunch?
Yeah.
Now I always serve these alongside that crispy slaw, some crumbled blue cheese for people to add if you like the blue cheese. I know a lot of you do, and I know a lot of you strongly don't, but I love it in anything that has to do with buffalo chicken. And of course, we're serving it up with some extra Blackstone creamy buffalo sear and serve sauce for dipping. Zhuzh it up with a little extra of our green onion that I have left over. And of course, the only thing I'm missing is a post dust of our buffalo blue. So let's get that on there, Kira. And now it's time to taste these. Are you ready for one, Kira? Because I know I am. I like to open these up. See the cheese pull right there, Kira? Did you see that? And I add a little of our broccoli slaw. Now, if you don't like broccoli with your buffalo chicken wings or buffalo anything, slice up or julienne some celery and some carrots. I've showed you guys that when I did this live on the Blackstone Facebook page, which you could go back and rewatch. But this is a shortcut, getting the slaw already cut, adds a little bit of crunch. And now I'm ready. Oh, I forgot, Kira, the blue cheese.
Oh.
I like the blue cheese. I don't know about you. You probably don't.
No.
All right, time to eat. Does that not look so delicious?
Oh.
I mean, and we have a lot, and you could make as many as you want, depending on how many people you have. And it's way more inexpensive than those chicken wings that you have to make, because we all know the price of chicken wings right now. Ooh, it's dripping, Kira. Let's eat.
You hear that crunch?
These taste just like eating buffalo wings, so I kind of think I might even like these a little bit better than chicken wings. I don't know. You guys have to tell me. Go make them. I promise you, you are going to love these. These are to die for. Time for yours? Want
Yeah.
it? I know. That crunch! Is it good?
Delicious.
Tastes like chicken wings, right?
Wait, it actually does.
Love it. Cam the man loves it. Kira?
I love it.
Love them. So good. So good. Yeah. You better start eating them or I'm gonna eat them all. And that's just exactly the reaction I know you guys are gonna get at home. Because these are so crispy and crunchy, they really do mimic that craving for buffalo chicken wings we all have, but on a budget, for your crowd, for your family and friends at home. Now, go make them and post them. I cannot wait to see who is enjoying these as much as we do here. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. Kira, thank you for sticking through this crazy heat. Our camera stopped about a million times in between, but I had to share this with you, so I can't wait to see you guys remake this and post it. It makes me so happy to see you guys recreating all of our recipes on the Blackstone Griddle's YouTube channel. Be sure to leave us comments down below and let us know what you guys think. I will see you guys in the next video.